In a world flooded with information, how can you tell what's credible science and what's not? There's an invisible force standing guard, catching mistakes, spotting biases, and exposing fraud before research ever sees the light of day. It's called peer review, and it's the backbone of trustworthy science. Imagine a world where anyone could publish any scientific claim without scrutiny. That's chaos, and exactly why peer review exists. Before a study is published, it's examined by other experts in the same field, peers, who understand the technical details and can spot flaws the rest of us might miss. Think of it as quality control for science, making sure research is solid before it reaches the public. The process is straightforward but rigorous. Step 1, the author submits their research to a journal. Step 2, an editor does an initial check. Is the topic relevant? Does it meet basic standards? Step 3, reviewers are invited, experts in the field, often anonymous. Step 4, these reviewers read carefully, checking methodology, data interpretation, and conclusions. They flag errors, challenge assumptions, and request clarifications. Step 5, the author revises the work, sometimes going through multiple rounds. Only then does the editor make the final decision: publish, revise again, or reject. Without peer review, misinformation and poor quality science could flood journals and news headlines. It catches faulty methods, statistical mistakes, and even deliberate fraud, preventing bad science from becoming part of the public record. It also strengthens research by forcing authors to clarify arguments and improve evidence. These reviewers aren't random critics. They're subject matter experts volunteering their time. Some systems keep their identity hidden, single blind review. Others hide both author and reviewer names, double blind. And in open review, everything is transparent. Each method has pros and cons, balancing fairness, accountability, and speed. Peer review isn't perfect. Bias can creep in. The process can be slow, delaying important findings, and unconventional ideas sometimes face resistance. Pressure to publish or perish can rush both authors and reviewers, sometimes leading to mistakes or oversights. New trends are reshaping the process. Preprints let researchers share findings instantly, while post-publication review invites the wider community to critique work after it's out. AI tools now help scan for plagiarism, statistical errors, and image manipulation, but humans still make the final judgment. Open science initiatives are increasing transparency, giving the public more access to research data and decisions. Peer review isn't just academic bureaucracy, it's a safeguard for truth. By understanding how it works, you become a better judge of the science you encounter every day. Because in the end, trustworthy research isn't just about discovery, it's about the rigorous testing that comes before it.